Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to draft a shirt collar. I started off by marking out my border line. So these lines will serve as borders to the collar that I'm about to draft. I marked 3 inches for the back collar. 7 is half of the circumference of the neck measurement, but here I marked 7.5, that is 0.5 for the button. And at this other side I came up by 1.2. The 1.2 is for the height of the collar stand. So after marking this above the 3 inches for the back collar, I just connect with a straight line. Then from this part I went up by 0.7. So this is where I will be creating my curve line for the collar stand. That's the curve height. After that I just went ahead to measure what I have already. What I want here is 7.5. So if this is more than 7.5, I'm just going to adjust that. So the other part is not needed. I need 7.5. Then I'm going to go up by 1 inch. From this part I'm just going to use a slight curve to connect this. Then see the way I drew this curve line, that's for the front part of the collar stand. And then I'm going to come in by 0.7, and then I'm going to rule a straight line here. So this is where the point that the other part of the collar would end, where I just drew that line. So after cutting this, I'm going to fold this paper so that I can mark the back parts. I'll be using this collar stand as a guide for the other parts of the collar. So I just laid this on the paper and then I went straight to trace the upper part of the collar. I didn't trace all of this part of the collar. I stopped at that part where I folded, the part where I marked after folding. So that is where I stopped this. And then I went up by 2 inches here. And at this side, I went up by 3.5 inches. And then I'm just going to connect this. So at this side that I went up by 2 inches, I'm just going to rule a straight line to end at this other side. Yes, like this. After that, from the top there, I'm just going to come down with a curved line, as you can see. So this is what we have here. We're almost done with this collar. I'm just going to trim this off. Then after that, you see what it looks like. So this is the look. Next I used this paper to cut out my gum stay and then added allowance to my fabric. After that I ironed this and this is what it looks like. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.